What do you think about a pair of shoes forgotten in a dusty corner for 2 years?
Oh my God.
Today I'm running an experiment, upgrading these $0 beaters into a $200 masterpiece for tonight's party. Let the game begin. Step 1. Deep clean to bring back that original white. I found these basic white laces in storage and threw them on. It looks okay. But definitely not enough to stand out among my friends. Let's try some contrast, swapping the basic white for flat black laces. An old rule but always effective, black and white. Now the class is starting to show. Now let's protect them my way. Steel spikes. Okay, that was a terrible idea. Don't ever do this unless you want to ruin the entire party. Retrying. How about some anti-collision stickers? Still not feeling it. It looks more like a toy than a designer shoe. Rip it off immediately. Back to real value. I'm upgrading these with the French style knot, an 18th century secret to elegance. Every single line must be perfectly straight and flat. But to truly be the center of attention, I'm swapping the black for a shade only the boldest would understand, neon green. It's not just a shoelace, it's a statement of defiance. And here it is, the craziest part I've ever conceived. Something that turns these shoes from footwear into a mobile asset. I'm sliding a credit card directly into this